In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular VPNs, PureVPN versus CyberGhost VPN. Both claim to be ideal for specific audiences. PureVPN touts itself as the best for streaming enthusiasts, while CyberGhost focuses on frequent travelers. So, which one truly holds up for your specific needs? Stick around, because I'm going to dive into the pros and cons of each VPN, and by the end, I'll reveal a better alternative that might be more in line with your goals. First up, let's talk streaming. If you're a streaming enthusiast looking to unlock content from different countries, PureVPN does a decent job of offering access to various Netflix libraries, Hulu, and other popular streaming services. It has specialized servers for streaming, which makes it easier to bypass geoblocks. However, it's not always consistent with speed. At times, the speeds drop, which could result in buffering, especially with HD content. If streaming is your main concern, PureVPN can work, but expect some hiccups. On the other hand, CyberGhost VPN also claims to be excellent for streaming, but the difference here is its focus on being more reliable for access across multiple platforms, including BBC iPlayer and even Disney+. While PureVPN has specialized streaming servers, CyberGhost's performance on streaming sites tends to be more stable, which is a big plus if you're looking for seamless viewing. However, don't expect ultra-fast speeds all the time. Streaming can still be impacted depending on your server location. Next thing, we've got server availability. For frequent travelers, PureVPN has over 6,500 servers across more than 70 countries. This is excellent for anyone hopping between different countries and needing a wide range of options. PureVPN does well in terms of providing good coverage for various regions, but it's worth noting that the connection speeds can sometimes suffer depending on the location. In comparison, CyberGhost offers more than 7,000 servers spread across 90 countries. So, it definitely has an edge in terms of coverage. For those who frequently travel, CyberGhost can offer more flexibility and options. The downside? In some regions, especially in more remote or high-traffic areas, the speeds aren't always as reliable as you might hope. Now let's get to the ease of use. PureVPN's interface is clean, but can feel a bit overwhelming for first-time users. It's loaded with options, and while that's great for advanced users, it might be a bit much if you're just looking for simplicity. CyberGhost, on the other hand, offers a much more user-friendly experience. Their interface is intuitive, even for beginners, and while it may not have as many advanced features as PureVPN, it's a lot easier to get up and running, especially if you don't want to spend too much time tweaking settings. Moving on, security and privacy. Both services offer strong encryption and no-logs policies, but PureVPN has faced some controversy in the past regarding handing over user data to authorities. While they've since improved and clarified their stance, it's something to consider if privacy is a big concern for you. CyberGhost, however, has been generally praised for its transparency and security features. Their no-logs policy is strict, and they've passed independent security audits. So, in terms of privacy, CyberGhost stands out as the more reliable choice, especially if you value anonymity while browsing. The last point to mention is pricing. PureVPN's pricing is competitive, offering flexible plans depending on your needs. They also have a 31-day money-back guarantee, which is great for testing out the service risk-free. However, some of their longer-term plans can be a bit pricier than CyberGhost's, which often offers more affordable options for a similar level of service. CyberGhost, while slightly more affordable, doesn't offer as many discounts as PureVPN does, but it's still relatively cost-effective for the features it provides. It's a solid choice for frequent travelers on a budget who don't want to sacrifice too much in terms of quality. Final thoughts. Both PureVPN and CyberGhost are solid choices for their respective audiences, but they're not perfect. While PureVPN excels in streaming with its specialized servers, its inconsistent speeds might cause frustration for some. CyberGhost offers better server coverage for travelers and a more user-friendly interface, but its streaming capabilities might not be as fast as PureVPN's in some regions. Now, here's the kicker. After trying both of these VPNs myself, I've found an alternative that offers better performance for streaming and travel without the drawbacks. If you want to get the best deal and a free trial to see it for yourself, check out the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to an exclusive trial, giving you a chance to experience the benefits firsthand. Trust me, if streaming and frequent travel are your priorities, you won't want to miss this opportunity.